Porter, and we are at one of my favorite places on the ABAC campus, which is at the Data Farm. And the Data Farm stands for Demonstrating Applied Technology in Agriculture. And one of my very favorite spots on the Data Farm is under this pecan tree. This is the place where all of us come and meet whenever we come out here for labs. It's a great meeting spot for the students. We hang out under the shade while we start talking about all the cool technology that we're going to be using out on the farm, and then we're right here and we can jump right in and start doing it. Some of the things that we do on the Data Farm is using all of this technology in agriculture. So some of the things that we already have here is one of the state-of-the-art new Valley pivots with a weather station and a variable frequency drive pump. And we do all of our data-driven agriculture out here. So we collect lots of data through soil moisture sensors, through sensors on vehicles, and we do site-specific management on this piece of property. Here on the Data Farm, it is a perfect place for our students to get hands-on experience with all of the new tech that's coming out in ag before they actually enter into the industry.